Hi, this is Idea Grower. In this video clip, I'm going to show you how to render a cube. First, I'm going to lay out a base color using a blue. You can use any color. Of course, the choice is yours. And the way to go about rendering a cube is pretty much the same as that of a sphere, which I've shown in my earlier video clip. Now I'm going to mask the surrounding bit of the rendered blue surface. Now masking can be done using a white. In this case, I'm using a black so that you can see clearly. Right? I'm using a black. Now, of course, I can use a ruler to help me tighten up the edges. This is how you do it. Sorry. It's a bit slow when I use a ruler because we have to adjust the position of the ruler so that the painting or the rendering cuts just nice. So as you can see, when I use a ruler, it becomes much slower. So it depends on what you want to work on. If it is just a quick and rough kind of a rendering, then I wouldn't use the ruler, right? But then of course, if you want to render something which is quite neat, nice, as in, for example, like your presentation drawing, then you want to very carefully, right, use a ruler, right, to do it very finely. Right? Yeah. The way to render a cube, the steps that I'm showing here is very basic. Okay, it's quite the same. It's quite the same as rendering a sphere, which I've shown earlier. And as you can see here, I'm using a masking right on top, and then you have the sketch and then the blue. Right, the next bit, I'm just using airbrush, right, an airbrush to say this side where the lights are coming in. Right, the lights, I assume is coming, let's say, from the top here, the light source, right? So the top will be the lightest, and then the side that I'm rendering now, as you can see, this will be the second darkest surface away from the light, right? So I just airbrush it this way. And on this side, you'll be the darkest. Now these are the basic, the first few steps, right, to put the paint in place. Then of course later on we're going to touch it up to make it stand out, right? So as you can see now, if I close the sketch layer, I'm going to render this a little bit more. And this shows basically the surface that need to be rendered, the dark surface, the light surface. Okay, right, I'm going to stop here for the time being, and I'm going to continue in part 2, how to beef up this cube. So I'll see you then. Bye.